what's up? Are you Angelica?
Yeah.
It's good to meet you.
Meet you. Shay.
Hi. Dre, good to meet you. What are you guys doing? So, this is weird. I've never met anyone like this. So here, is it? Like, let me just. Yeah. Sorry. So, anyways, what do you guys want to go do? You guys want to go watch a movie, Netflix, whatever? We can go to a hot tub. I got a really sick hot tub.
You know,
at my complex.
My mom's calling me. I think
you gotta go.
Wait, you guys don't want to hang? I just met you. Wait. Are you guys sure you guys don't want to go with me? I promise this hot tub is worth it.